Good everyone, today is May 2, and for our daily devotion, our topic is entitled that God opposes the proud. Our verse is Daniel 4:37. Now, I, Nebuchadnezzar, praise and exalt and glorify the King of heaven, because everything he does is right. All his ways are just, and those who walk in pride, he is able to humble. So, dito sa verse na to, sinasabi na Nebuchadnezzar said that God is the King of heaven. He deserves the praise, the exalt and glorify. He does everything accordingly and does right and justice, and he can able to humble those who are pride or proud against him. For our teaching, God's sovereignty reveals who we truly are. God's sovereignty defines what our attitude towards Him. It reveals who we truly are, if we are follower of Him or not. If we are will glorify, exalt, and praise Him, or we are proud against Him. Number 2, God's sovereignty demands worship, because He is the King of heaven. He is King of kings. Therefore, He deserves the worship. It is a needs that people need to do to worship Him, adore Him, and praise Him, glorify Him in all different ways and aspects of life. God's sovereignty humbles the proud. Those who are proud will be humbled down by God's sovereignty, because those who are proud didn't see how God sovereign us all will humble them down for them to realize that they shouldn't proud up against Him that are perfect. Application: know your purpose and be faithful. You must know the right track, right path you need to pursue, and be faithful to Him. Therefore, we're not making sins and mistakes against Him. 2. Worship God instead of questioning God. We must worship Him in all different aspects of life, and not question what He's doing, because His doing is always the perfect and right way. 3. Be humble before God, let His grace live you. You must be humble before Him, because He is the perfect and very just of sins. Because those na nagpapakumbaba is itinataas, at ang nagmamataas ay pinakaba. Therefore, those who nagbibigay ng kapakumbaba will be lifted up by His grace, and those who are proud will go down.